Indeed, all praise is due to Allah. We praise Him and seek His help and forgiveness. We seek refuge with Allah from the evils of our own soul and our wrongdoings. He whom Allah guides, no one can misguide, and he whom He allows to go unguided, no one can guide. On behalf of the management of Al-Furqaan Islamic Center, I, Abu Abdullah Sharafuddin Ibrahim, give thanks to Allah for the proper documentation of this series. I mean the book of Usool-u-Sunnah, as translated and well explained in English language by Abu Nasir Ibrahim Abdul Rauf. We had actually lost the introductory part of this series. This loss was due to lack of impetus at the dawn of this dirasat. But my brothers and sisters, you don't have to panic over these at all. As for Abu Nasir Ibrahim Abdul Rauf, we beseech Allah to bestow him with more beneficent knowledge and sound health. For more, you may call any of these lines: 070-3982-3963, 080-955-92236, 080-257-24802. I remain yours, Abu Abdullah Sharafuddin Ibrahim.